siya. You deserve someone better. Any guy who would leave you like that does not deserve your love.
Eh, akala ko kasi siya na talaga eh. Siya na yung guy for me. Because he has everything. Guwapo. Check. Matangkad. Check. May abs. Check na check.
Well, you know what, ate? Maybe he's not the one for you. Or maybe you just haven't met the right guy. But I'm sure, darating din siya sa buhay mo.
Tinuod na, son. You're right. Alam mo, sometimes feeling ko ikaw yung mas matanda sa atin eh. Oh my gosh. Son, I'm sorry. I'm so selfish. Hindi ko na-realize na may problema ka rin. What's the problem?
There's this girl that I like, ate. Akala niya sinisiraan ko yung crush niya. Kaya nagalit siya sa akin. Wala na akong bawang sa akong bawang niya.
This is what I call sibling problems. Kapatid nga talaga tayo. We even share the same heartaches. But I'm your older sister. And it's my responsibility to protect you and to protect your feelings. Kaya from now on, I will be a better ate to you. Okay?
Salamat, ate. The best ka talaga. Uy!